The technique that I'm presenting on today is called bedtime beads. They are a physical reminder and kind of a guide for implementing some previously learned skills of breathing and meditation for children. This technique involves deep breathing and focus strategies to help calm the child, um, using self affirmation, safe images, and safe, happy memories. And the construction of these beads can develop rapport between the child and the social worker, or also the parent, if the parent would like to do this activity with their child. I feel this will be a fun activity and also educational for the child because it's kind of like an art project. Um, but also it helps working with the child and may give the social worker some tips on things that the child feels are safe or environments that they feel are safe places. It could also, give the social worker some insight into some of their thoughts and may even prompt the client to talk about their trauma. So what you do is you choose several small beads and several large beads to make your chain. And then on the large beads, you would help the child think of positive things in their life and help them decorate the beads with materials and art that would represent these positive images, places, or people. Next, you paint and decorate the beads, and then next, the child will string the beads together. Um, Alternating the large beads, which symbolize the positive, safe feelings, with the small beads, which will represent taking deep breaths. So as the child, carries their string of beads wherever they need relaxation, what they would do is rub the large bead and think of positive, happy thoughts. And then when they rub the small bead, they would take deep breaths. And like I said, this is used for children who have a difficult time transitioning to bed or having difficulty sleeping. But they can be used for a lot more. Once they're completed, they can be carried with the child, almost like a comfort object, and they can be useful in many situations in school or visitation with a parent. Um, or obviously used for a bedtime ritual, basically anywhere that the child could benefit from some relaxation. And the recommended age is from 3 to 16 years old.